In this video, we'll install App Volumes Manager on a Windows Server virtual machine. With App Volumes Manager, you can manage and automate the assignment of application packages, collect usage information, and maintain a history of administrative actions. Now, the version of App Volumes we're talking about is not the version that's included with Horizon Cloud Service. In the Horizon Cloud Service version of App Volumes, all these components are included in the service. Rather, we're talking about the SDDC, or Software Defined Data Center, version of App Volumes. Before you begin, make sure the following prerequisites are satisfied. You'll need a physical or virtual machine running Windows Server 2019 or later, with 8 CPUs, 10 gigs of RAM, and 1 gig of disk space. I'm using a Windows Server 2022 virtual machine. The machine also needs the .NET Framework 3.5 or later installed and enabled. And to run the installer, you'll need to be logged in with an account that has local administrator privileges. From the Omnissa Downloads page, navigate to the App Volumes Downloads. You can see that it's an ISO image being downloaded. This image contains the installer to use for App Volumes Manager and the App Volumes agent that gets installed on both the packaging machine and the virtual desktop, or RDSH server, for published applications. I've copied my App Volumes ISO image to the machine, but best practice is to extract the ISO contents to a shared folder accessible to the VM, so that you can use it from various virtual machines when you later install the other components. I'll right-click the ISO image and mount it. Then go to the installation folder and double-click Setup. After a while, the welcome page of the installation wizard appears. Click Next. Now, this same installer is used for all the components, so in this case, select App Volumes Manager and click Install. On the welcome page of the App Volumes Manager Setup wizard, click Next. For this evaluation, we'll use the local SQL Server Express database. On the database server page, select to use Windows Integrated Authentication and, oops, I forgot something. For this exercise, I need to deselect the checkbox that says Enable SQL Server Certificate Validation, because this is just an evaluation. Click Next. On the ports page for this exercise, select the checkbox that says Allow connections over HTTP insecure. Click Next. On the custom setup page, click Next. Because I'm deploying App Volumes Manager in a Horizon 8 environment on vSphere, I'll choose General and click Install. The setup can take a while. When it's all complete, click Finish. You'll notice an App Volumes Manager desktop shortcut. You can double-click that to open the web UI, or you can find App Volumes Manager in the Windows Start menu. In the next video, we'll do the initial configuration of App Volumes Manager. For more App Volumes and Horizon technical resources, be sure to visit techzone.omnissa.com.